Welcome to the RoadView video tutorial. This tutorial provides an introduction to the RoadView application and explains how to get started using the tool and its key features. RoadView is a desktop viewer for georeferenced video that complements the crash map application. It converts geospatial coordinates to road SLK points to aid in the identification of spatial locations captured on the video. RoadView is a relational video application that allows users to upload and view georeferenced video files captured using the GPS-enabled dashcam. RoadView then geospatially relates the video captured with crash data and asset information, enabling relational analysis of the road environment to assist in the process of conducting road safety route assessments. RoadView can also be a useful tool when conducting asset management. RoadView has two levels of user access: general access users and crash data access users. General access users have access to all the asset datasets that are provided in RoadView, but do not have access to view the detailed crash data attributes. All existing and new crash map users are automatically granted crash data user access to RoadView. Before getting started, it is recommended that you refer to the RoadView user guide that can be found using the button with a question mark that is located at the top right corner of the screen. The user guide explains all the features RoadView has to offer. To get started, users must use the Select Files button that is located at the top of the screen. Files can also be selected using the button in the middle of the screen. Users then need to select the videos and associated metadata files to be viewed. Associated metadata files must be selected. This is because these files contain metadata that geospatially relates the uploaded video files with the mapping, crash, and inventory data available on RoadView. RoadView supports selected video files and associated GPS metadata file types that can be loaded directly into RoadView. These include .nmea metadata files captured using Navman cameras, .gpx metadata files captured using Garmin cameras, and .log metadata files captured using Sony cameras. RoadView also supports a limited number of cameras with GPS metadata files that are embedded with the video file. For these cameras, the .gpx metadata files must be extracted from the video before the video and associated GPS metadata file can be loaded into RoadView. The following RoadView supported cameras with embedded metadata files include GoPro cameras, Hero 5 model or later, and Blackview cameras. Once files are selected, RoadView automatically matches the video files to the associated metadata files. Users then have the option to correct any mismatched files before confirming the files to upload. Uploaded videos are displayed in the playlist where you have the option to select any of the videos to play. You also have the option to change the playlist order by dragging and dropping your video files. There are a number of play and video navigation tools located at the top of the screen. The alternate play-pause button is used to start and pause the video. You also have the option to step the video forward or back by 1 second, 10 seconds, or by a single video frame. The speed the video is played at can also be slowed down or sped up by using the rate feature. The location where the video is captured is shown by a road view symbol displayed on the map. If you find the video out of step with the map, you can use the offset feature, which can offset the video by up to 5 seconds in either direction to correct any video lag errors. The panel at the top of the screen provides a selection of video and location attributes including the video capture date and time, the speed and direction of travel the vehicle was traveling when the video was captured, latitude and longitude location information, the road name and number, and the SLK of the video capture location. All the location attributes automatically update as the video is playing. A static data panel is located below the video display window that shows a number of road environment attributes related to the video. These include the legal speed limit at the video capture location. When the video caption location is on a road with a state default speed limit, the speed limit is defaulted to 110 km per hour and a drop-down option appears. This allows users the choice to change the displayed limit to 50 km per hour. Located next to the legal speed limit is the ball bank source data field. The ball bank source field displays the advisory speeds of curves from ball bank surveys stored on Main Roads Curve Survey database. If more than one survey run is captured for a single curve, a drop-down list of runs is available for selection. Local government users should use the Select Ballbank Files Upload option to upload ballbank surveys to enable external users to interrogate survey results using RoadView. The advisory speed figure shown in this field is also highlighted yellow when the speed shown is 15 km per hour or greater below the legal speed limit. This feature highlights locations where advisory speed signing may be warranted at particular curves. Next to the ball bank source data field, there are the pavement surfacing fields. These fields show the number of traffic lanes, the total seal width, and the shoulder widths for state roads only. The roadside hazard rating field shows the hazard rating for any roadside objects at the video capture location for state roads only. The road alignment fields show various geometric alignment details for state roads only. The calculated safe speed and vertical design speed figures are also highlighted yellow when the speed shown is below the legal speed limit. This is to highlight any substandard road alignment details that may require further consideration. The screen capture feature allows users to download a still image of the video when the video is paused by clicking the Capture Image button located on the top left of the video window. The vertical divide between the map panel on the left of the screen and the video panel on the right of the screen can be dragged to increase or decrease either viewing area to assist users when working in each screen area. The mapping area on the left of the screen has a number of mapping controls. These include a Layers window that allows users to display a selection of layers on the map. When users select any polyline layers, the associated layer attributes are also displayed below the static data panel on the right of the screen. In this example, you can see that when the line marking layer is selected, the corresponding data attributes are displayed below the static data panel. Users also have the option to upload custom layers to be displayed in RoadView. This allows local governments to upload inventory data for their own road network. To do this, you need to firstly combine your shapefile with its associated files into a single zip file. Then, select the Open Custom Layer button to upload your zip file. This then adds your new layer to your layer list and displays your uploaded layer to the map. There are other map controls that allow users to measure multiple distances on the map, identify the features of layers that are displayed on the map, pan and zoom controls. Road View includes a coordinates list feature that enables users to generate a list of information for point locations using the Add Point button, or for route lengths using the Start Capture and End Capture buttons. The coordinate list is accessed from the right slide-out panel and is located above the playlist. Users can then add notes for any points or route lengths added to the list. Users also have the option to export their list as a CSV file or upload previously saved coordinate lists to a playlist. Coordinate lists can be a useful tool when conducting road safety route assessments or when undertaking asset management. Crash data users have additional features to enable you to interrogate any recorded crash data associated with the video extents. Crash data is automatically retrieved and displayed in Road View for crash data users. Crash symbology, showing the severity of each crash, is displayed on the map. Where there is more than one crash at a single geographic point, for example, at intersections, crash symbols are shown on top of one another in a display order where the highest severity crash symbol is displayed on the top and lower severities below. There is also a number displayed on the symbol to show the total number of crashes located at a single point. Crash filters are also available to assist users to interrogate crashes at locations where there are a large number of crashes. Users can filter crashes by severity or by RUM code crash banding to reduce the number of crash symbols displayed on the map. Users have the option to display a query summary of the crashes along the extents of the video. Users also have the option to display collision diagrams for all the crashes displayed on the map, or can display collision diagrams for selected crashes on the map. Collision diagrams can also be dragged to group crashes on the map to assist with identifying possible crash patterns. Collision diagrams can also be removed from the screen by either removing single collision diagrams by clicking the X that appears at the top right of individual collision diagrams, or by choosing to remove them all. There is also a collision diagrams control panel that appears at the bottom left of the map area when collision diagrams are displayed. This allows users to scale, lock, or hide the collision diagrams. For a greater understanding of the collision diagram attributes, you are recommended to refer to the user guide for more detail. Road View crash data users also have the option to display the crash details of individual crashes by clicking any crash symbol displayed on the map. This then displays a new window that shows detailed information about the crash selected. You can also click on the Vehicles tab to view information about the vehicles involved in the crash. The next and previous buttons can be used to navigate through all the crashes displayed on the map. The Crash Details window also has a leader line connected to the crash symbol displayed on the map to show what crash the details relate to. Please note that crash descriptions, when available, are only recorded for casualty crash severities, fatal, hospital, and medical severity. This concludes the Road View tutorial. Please refer to the Road View User Guide if you require any further information about these features.